yourself.
No.
Oh, let's have a look at your camera there, sir.
Yeah, that's right. Right, we're off to Fowlers for my recall for my Tuono 2015 1100RR. It's a recall for the front brake master cylinder, which is pretty scary in itself, but there you go. I had noticed that the brake fluid had started going all discoloured, a bit like the old SV1000 clutch slave cylinder problem, which means that the master cylinder is eating its seals. Let's see if it's gone dark. I'll do it a bit more when I get off. So I had out of the blue, I had a recall come through from Aprilia, and I'm on my way in now to get it changed. So I'm hoping that they'll do a full flush on the brake fluid, because the brake fluid is badly contaminated, and change the master cylinder as a whole. So rather than just trying to fit new seals on it, which is, I've got a suspicion they might be going to do, but we'll have to wait and see. But apart from that, I mean, she's fully run in now. Well, I say fully, 1152 miles. There's about another 100 miles to go before you can sort of like absolutely flipping cane the living daylights out of it. But no, and brilliant so far, and enjoying her very much indeed when I get a chance to ride her. Because just maniac at work. Normally they hold a bit longer, those. You've got to be careful in here. There's bloody speed cameras everywhere. Every few hundred yards there's a frigging speed camera. Of course I'm allowed in the burst lanes. Bus lane there. 29 miles an hour is the order of the day through here. They're proper flipping militant about their speed. They've got so many 20 mile an hour limits, it's ridiculous. And I can understand in residential areas where, you know, people could, I mean, kids could be out playing and all that sort of stuff. I've got no problems with that at all. But some of the areas they got the 20s on main thoroughfares. Shouldn't look very well. That's age is a bastard. That's all I've got to say on that one. Just start getting useful and start getting educated and sensible and have a more balanced view of life, which took me a long time, and still trying. And then age gets older, it ravages you and you die, just when you start getting really interested and useful. Okay, well that was all done. Got a few new front brake master cylinder, but they've left the shitty brake fluid in there, so I'll have to change that. Feels a bit weird because it's not where I want it, but apart from that, it's seems a bit far out on 3. I think I normally had it on 2. We'll see how we get on 3. It's getting warm. It's been reprogrammed, been remapped, or the map or whatever has been redone, so seems to have changed all my settings, so I'll have to get those all dialed back in. Tide's out. That's a tidal river, obviously because we're in Bristol. As you can see, the tide's out. It's a heck of a flipping difference between low and high.